video goes through IXL D4 and the little digit code thing is WB9. So I'm going to do two examples. So look at this diagram. It says if SU and VX are parallel, that means it is telling you that these two lines are parallel. And angle, the measure of angle XWY, so XWY, so it's talking about this angle right here, is 110 degrees. It is telling us that. What is STR? So now it wants to know. So STR is right here. All right, so when we talked about parallel lines, we talked about how we can use the rules that we know. So we know if this is 110 degrees, this makes a straight line. So this must be 90. I'm sorry, 70. This must be, I'm just going to erase that. This is 70. So if that's 70 degrees, the one across from it's 70 degrees. If that angle is 110, the one across from it's 110. And when we did this, because these are parallel, whatever is happening here is also going to happen in this same scenario. So we're going to have 110, 110, 70, and 70. So it says if it wants STR, which is this big one, and so it's 110 degrees. Let's do one more example. So it says if SU and VX are parallel, and the measure of VWT, so I put VWT. So this angle is 126 degrees. Okay. Now, before I even gonna ask what is the measure of what it wants, we can also just straight up find all the angles. So if that's 126 degrees, in order to make a line, we have to find what this is. So 126 plus what would be 180? The answer would be 54. So that means that all of my tiny little angles are going to be 54 degrees and all of my really big ones are 126. It works the same way over here. My big angles are 126 and my little ones are going to be 54. So without even asking or knowing what it wants, we can already find all these angles super simple. So now it just wants XWT. So I'm going to find X, go to W, and then go to T. So it wants this angle right here, which we already found it. That degree is 54. All right.